Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Gadget Grabs. On today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you how to send link in Monopoly Go. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. Firstly, you need to open the Monopoly Go on your device. Wait until the Monopoly Go application is loading on your device. And once you're on the Monopoly Go application, here on the home screen, on the bottom right corner, you can see the friends icon. Tap on it and you can see invite option on the bottom of the screen next to the Facebook application. Once you tap on invite, then here you can see the invite option. Simply you need to tap on it and this will appear where you can see the multiple application or the social medias platform here where you can see the link of the Monopoly Go in anywhere you would like to. On the top you can see the copy link option. You need to tap on the copy link and the link of the Monopoly Go has already been copied on your clipboard, and you can open any of the application and you can send the link of the Monopoly Go by tapping on the airplane like icon. So in this way, you can easily send the link of the Monopoly Go. If you find this video useful, then hit the like button, and if you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos. Thank you.